My wife's a realtor, and so she asked around her network of realtors for referrals to companies who could do the size project that we needed to do. We interviewed 2 companies, had 2 salespeople in our house, had 2 designs completed, and we went with Solid Structures because of the ease of design and quite honestly the ability to work with their designer directly. Yeah, my wife and I wanted to have a 3-season outdoor space. We love being outdoors. We love the weather. We love the fall, the summer, the spring. And we wanted a space that we could entertain, that we could cook lunch and dinner in, that we could have parties in. We've already had graduation parties and 70th birthday parties. We've had client entertainment events here. But we wanted a space big enough to where we could cook, we could serve our favorite drinks, where we could dine with 10 to 20 of our favorite people, and also lounge. So we included the day bed in there. One of the great features of our pavilion is the ceiling on the inside. We love how they not only design the space for functionality, but actually look also. Yeah, I would tell you to don't expect perfection, because you never get that in the construction business. They will look for solutions that fit within the timeline, from the sales staff and Nick to the project manager and Jason to Elizabeth back in the main office. We really enjoyed our communication with them. When problems arose, they fixed them, even going overboard at the end to try to make everything as perfect as it could be. That's our favorite time to be out here. When it's just my wife and I, we can get in the pool. We've been in the hot tub. On cool nights, we go in the hot tub. Warm nights, we love it. I would suggest, if you can, heat your pool, because early in the season, in March and April, we were having use of our pool, and it's an added feature to the pleasure of this. My wife and I are both small business owners, and we do look for places to entertain not only our clients but our family and our friends. There's a lot of tax benefits to owning the pool if you talk to a good tax accountant. I'm a tax planner, so I looked at those ahead of time. We used a lot of stuff in the IRS tax code to help us afford more than what we would have paid otherwise. So don't just think of it as a cost. It's an investment for experiences in your family, and it could be and it can help you as a small business owner, especially if you entertain clients and do other events.